Camera speeding and action.
One of the most important parts of preparing for a business script is coming up with your messaging and determining who you want to target with that message. "87% of people say video marketing has helped increase sales. 91% say they want to see more online videos from brands this year. And 89% of people say watching a video has convinced them to buy a product or service." How can you make your information come across different? I have run into so many business owners who want my help, but are just not in a position to invest quite yet. And I want to support their success. I will share everything you need to know in order to make your own video to promote your business. Make sure your message is authentically you and your brand. So make sure you know your target audience and then craft your message. The big question is, should you invest in hiring a professional to produce your video, or can you make a good video yourself? The best videos and the most cost-effective videos are the ones that have been well planned. After spending 20 years in Hollywood, I now focus on making high-quality marketing videos for businesses looking to grow. I have created a step-by-step workshop to guide you to create a well-thought-out and executed business video with the same approach as a television professional. Purchase the entire library or just the chapter you need for the phase of guidance you are in right now. Welcome to Klein Creative Media Video 101.